Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 14 Pro Max and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over settings section, you need to scroll down and then you're going to find here something say wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you can click here add new wallpaper and then we will see there is a bunch of wallpaper by Apple. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper and then we're going to click here add and we will notice that my phone going to be appear. This is how it's going to be look like. We're going to click here set as wallpaper pair. And let me go back, we will see now my phone is appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.